Hey everyone, this is just a quick video to let you know that the new Elite Ionic website is now live. And for the first 48 hours after this video goes up, you'll be able to grab a pro membership for $50 off. So if you're not already familiar with what this is all about, I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of the website now. Elite Ionic is going to be the home for all of my intermediate to advanced level Ionic content from here on. So you're going to find a bunch of free tutorials here, and I also have a pro section for premium content. So you'll see in this tutorial section here that the content is split up into 6 main categories, and they are performance, user interface and user experience, testing, backend, architecture, and native integration. So you'll find that most advanced topics probably will fit into one of these categories in some way, and these are the things that I'm going to be focusing on. So if you're interested in learning about some performance concepts, you can just click on the performance category, and then you can even filter it further by the specific framework as well if you want. So at the moment, the content is going to be primarily Angular focused, and there'll also be a bit of Stencil.js content as well. In the free tutorials, you will still find some React and Vue content and some content that just works no matter which framework you're using, but there isn't going to be as much as there is for Angular and Stencil. So you'll just be able to browse around these free tutorials. I'll just open one up here just for fun. But as well as these free tutorials, I have a pro section to the website, which at the moment are these pro modules. And the pro modules at the moment are primarily Angular focused. All the modules right now are for Angular, and this probably will continue for the time being. I may introduce some Stencil pro modules as well, but most likely you're only going to get use out of the pro modules at the moment if you are an Ionic and Angular developer. So you'll be able to see a list of all the modules here. If we just select one of those, we can see the layout of the entire module. And you'll also notice that the first few lessons here are free. So any of the lessons that are labeled public, you can view without a pro membership. But for all the rest, you will need to have a pro membership to access them. So if you do want to grab a pro membership, you can just click this Become a Pro Member. Now at the moment, I'm already logged in, so I'll just log out of that. And this is where you'll be able to purchase your pro membership. If you grab it during the launch, it's going to be $129, but anytime after the launch, the price will go back up to $179. And at the moment, this is a once-off lifetime membership fee. I may change Elite Ionic to a more subscription-based service in the future. But if you buy now, you're going to get a lifetime membership, so you won't have to worry about paying a recurring subscription or anything like that. Any pro content that I release on this site in the future will be available to you. And so if you do purchase a pro membership, you'll just be able to log in here with your order ID and license key, and then you'll be able to access all of the pro content on the site. So at the moment, that is the pro modules, but in the future, I'm also planning on adding some pro resources as well. I'm going to be aiming to release this probably around the second half of 2021. And I won't give a full rundown of it here, but the basic idea is going to be some advanced resources, things like themes and starters, but with more focus on education rather than having these plug and play style items. Okay, so whether you intend to get a pro membership or not, I really hope you check out Elite Ionic. I think there is a lot of content here, regardless of whether you have a pro membership or not, and it's going to keep growing in the future as well. So I hope you like it. If you do have any thoughts, feel free to leave a comment, ask me a question. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.